Today you guys are taking the quiz, Counting Subatomic Particles. It's located in module for Chapter 4 and 5. It's the last thing going on to the grading period, and I'm going to explain how to do this. Now, the link for the periodic table is right here. I already have it open, and so this is the periodic table that we're going to be using. You will need to reference this. And I've also opened up the Desmos Scientific Calculator. You can use this calculator, you can use a different calculator. However, this is a pretty simple thing. So we want to go through, and the quiz, you guys are going to have the same first 3 questions. Everybody else's questions are going to look a little bit different after that. But it's going to give us an element name, an atomic number, atomic mass, number of protons, number of neutrons, and number of electrons. Okay, and so here in the first question I've said lithium-5. Okay, so I need to find lithium on the periodic table, which it's located right here. Okay, atomic number 3. And so the symbol is a capital L, lowercase I. The atomic number is 3. Now the mass I've actually given to you in the problem. It says lithium-5. That 5 is the mass. Now, the mass on the periodic table, you'll notice, would round to a 7. Okay, but we are going to use 5 because I've denoted a specific isotope. Now, the number of protons, that is 3 because it is the same as the atomic number. And the number of electrons is also 3 because for atoms, the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. The number of neutrons, okay, remember mass is protons plus neutrons, so 5 is the atomic mass. I'm going to say 5 minus 3, the number of protons, is equal to 2, the number of neutrons. Okay, so that would be problem 1 on your quiz. Problem 2, it's not given an element name, no symbol, no atomic number, no atomic mass, no protons. I've given the number of neutrons and the number of electrons. So we do know the number of protons is the same as the number of electrons, so that's going to be 29. Now the mass is the number of neutrons plus the number of protons. So going up here, we're going to say 35 plus 29, and that gives me, 35 plus 29. 64. Sorry, first time using the Desmos calculator. So we have 64 for the mass. If I hit Shift Tab, it'll take me right back in my tabs here. Atomic number, that's the same as the atomic number of protons, so that's 29. And now I'm going to look up on the periodic table atomic number 29. So atomic number 29 right here is Cu, which is copper. Okay, so that's a capital C, lowercase u, and copper is the name of the element. Okay. The third question here. Symbols given, the atomic mass is given. The symbol Si is going to be Si right here, silicon. And so the atomic number for silicon is 14. Now I'm giving you a mass, which it is different than the one that's on the periodic table, because on the periodic table it says 28 would be what that would round to. I'm just denoting a different isotope. Number of protons is 14. The number of neutrons is going to be 30 minus 14, the mass minus the number of protons, which is 16. And the number of electrons is the same as the number of protons, so that is 14. So reminded you guys of how to do the counting of the subatomic particles. You guys will now need to go through and answer the rest of the questions in the quiz. You should have followed along and gotten the answers for the first 3 problems. Good luck.